Hello all. Welcome to Tally Technology videos. Today, we will explore a new capability in TDL called Skip Forward at Part Level, which is available from Tally Prime Release 6.0. So, what is Skip Forward attribute at part level? Do you remember what is the use of skip forward attribute at field and button? It is used to skip the field or button and move forward. If the key backspace is executed from the consecutive button or field, then the focus moves back to the skipped button or field. For example, in case there are three fields, say field 1, field 2, and field 3, and the skip forward attribute has been given with the expression as yes for field 2, then when you press enter, while the cursor is on field 1, the cursor skips field 2 and moves to field 3. If you want to go back to field 2, you can click on the back arrow button and the cursor now lands on field 2. Similarly, you can use skip forward attribute at part level from Tally Prime Release 6.0. This allows you to skip a particular part for which the attribute has been given the expression as yes. This is an attribute which will take logical input as yes or no. By default, the value is set to no, meaning that the part won't be skipped unless specifically changed to yes. The syntax for the same is as shown. Skip forward logical expression, where the logical expression is any expression that evaluates to a logical value. Now, let's see how the same can be seen in Tally Prime and how a part is skipped using this attribute. Let us open Tally Prime Developer. As you can see, the part named as TSPL Skip Forward second part. The attribute skip forward is set as yes. Now let's save our code and see it's working in Tally Prime. Here you can see that the cursor is on the first part. As you press the right arrow, the second part with text, the part is skipped when you press right arrow, is bypassed, and the cursor goes to the third part here. From the third part, if you press the left arrow, the cursor goes to the previously skipped part. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Hope all of you were able to understand the capability of skip forward attribute at part level and appreciate how it enhances the UI of Tally Prime.